I've looked forward to for a long time. I'm going to be backfilling the foundations. Today's the day. Let's just watch. video, Cliff. I don't know what we do without Cliff, Olivia. All right, good morning. Today's project is we're going to be putting, this is our PEX tubing for our heat. It's going to go in the slab. And we've got 5 of these 300-foot rolls, 1/2-inch PEX for heat that's got to go get zip tied to the wire. We've got to lay it out. This fly house said 18 inches on center is going to be plenty for the for this space. This might be a bedroom over here. There's going to be 2 windows here, so this could be a bedroom if I choose to. I haven't decided yet. So I want to make sure I don't put PEX right underneath where that wall is going to be. Anyway, regardless of where the PEX goes, once we're done laying it out and getting it all down, I'm going to make a very detailed sort of diagram or map of where everything is, so that, you know, if you're ever putting a nail in that slab, the last thing you want to do is hit a piece of pipe. So believe me, I'm going to know where that pipe is, and stay away from it. So my buddy Mark's going to get here soon. He's the plumber you saw in a previous video, and we're going to get this done today. And also the guys are up there. You might be able to see them up there grading a little bit. They're going to pour the slab for the barn today at 11. Here comes Mark. I hear Hazel, so that means Mark's here. days later, we had a couple days of rain, so we couldn't get the slab poured, but the guys are here, concrete's flowing. Let's watch them work their magic on our slab. Firewood, a good stack of firewood is something I'm always going to need in my life. You may look at me doing this going, this guy's nuts. I don't feel one bit guilty about using a mini excavator to cut firewood with. I plan on cutting firewood for years to come, so I got to make it easier on myself. Eventually maybe I'll have to buy firewood, but for now I'm going to keep cutting. That's the way it's going to be. Soul food, man. That's it. I'm going to clean up a little. Clean up the rest of this wood. Go check, see how the guys are doing on the floor. And wrap this one up. So, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, follow along. We're just getting started on our house build. Pretty soon we'll be building the barn. We're going to build the barn. I'm going to do that myself with the help of some friends. And the framers will be coming later on to do the house. So there's a lot of really good content coming up as we finally put this thing together and watch our dreams come true. So thanks again for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Give the video a like. Give me a thumbs up. Share them with your friends. Tell everybody about it. I'd like to get as many people involved as we can. Do what you dig. Dig what you do. Life will be sweet. See you next time.